I am super excited about tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to be going fishing on the Potomac River for big blue catfish. So my grandpa is having a birthday, and we figured that we would take him catfishing for big blue catfish on the Potomac River. So it's gonna be so much fun. We're gonna be in the same section of the river as there are some huge catfish. Several state records have been caught out of the same portion of the river. So there's a lot of stuff in here. We're particularly going after the big fish. It's gonna be nice and overcast day, supposedly, so you never know, but the conditions are pretty good, and right at that time when it's getting cold, so the fish are congregating in the deeper water where the big ones are. There's a lot of potential for tomorrow. I am super excited to see what happens, and I guess I'll see you in the morning at 3:30 when we're heading out. So I'll see you then. Well, good morning. It is 4 o'clock and head out to the Potomac, so here we go. We forgot one thing. We forgot the kitchen sink.
Yeah, we got it here.
Oh, you got it? Okay, never mind. Ready to go?
Yes, indeedy.
Here we go. Get it out.
Give it probably almost a minute to let the anchor get set straight. So your back 4 rods back there are going to be the long ones out. These ones are a little bit shorter. These here, a little bit shorter than those, and then these ones up front are a little bit shorter than those. It's like the current drags them all that way.
Okay.
If they're all the same distance, they'll be a mess.
Yeah. Okay. Put you up there.
You're good.
Now we wait. We just had our first bite. Fish on.
So you can go swim straight at you.
First fish on of the day.
Hey, look at this. We got ourselves a catfish.
I'll tip up and just walk back.
He'll be good eating. There you go. Well, that was cool. We got the first fish pretty fast. Probably so far it's picked up pretty fast, so we'll see what happens. It's looking good for today, so with high hopes. Yep, they stole our first bait, so we'll rebait it. Something's messing with that one.
Slack, yeah, usually that means if the line's going slack for no reason, they're usually swimming at you. You want to start reeling.
Go ahead and reel it in.
Usually they're swimming at you.
I got the bait.
Ooh, we just had a big old hookup. See what happens.
You can pick it up.
You were giving us a good take it out of the food,
Don't yank on it, just reel. Nice and easy.
Big fish on.
Yeah, you're on the wrong. Especially when you get that rod up in the air. Up in the air.
Up in the air.
There you go. That's fast fishing still. Sorry about these jumping. Take your time, take your time. You don't have to hold for long. Hold on, buddy. Back up. Back up once you get hit.
Yeah, come back here a little bit.
He's a nice one. Oh man. Big old fish. Yes.
All right, look at that.
Oh yeah.
Nothing's getting.
Woo, he's nice.
Would you say it's not as heavy as the first one?
I said he's twice as heavy. Probably more than that.
pretty. That's pretty good. We already got 2 fish. Got like 1. It's looking good, so it's gonna be fun.
You don't want a real one, they're just nibbling it.
Just thinking about it.
Oh, right here, right
There we got one. Oh,
Eat him. Really. Eat him.
nice fish.
Right there, buddy, on your left. Real.
Yeah, we got 2 fish on all of a sudden. Starting to rain. Almost here. Maybe he's a little one.
You gotta bring it to him.
There we go, 2 just like that. Yeah, this is going good. We already got 4 fish in the boat, and it's hardly been 5-10 minutes. So we're gonna catch some more big stuff, guys. So you gonna catch a fish, Xander? Yeah. Well, we'll have to see if we can get you one. Maybe you can get the next one. You think? Yeah. Nice fish. Nice fish.
You want that, buddy?
Pull high.
You got it?
Yeah, thanks.
Where is it? Oh, it's a nice one.
Nice fish.
Good job. We'll get you one, bud.
It's a really nice fish. That's real good. We got those 5 really fast. I mean, it's 2 5+ right away. It's good, isn't it?
Good fishing.
Good fishing.
As long as I've got the big one.
Big fish. He hit hard.
Man,
Shoo.
it's a big one.
We just had a really big hit. The boat's been drifting a little bit, so we just reeled everything in, and we're gonna move a little bit to move back so we for sure can. We were in a nice hole for a little bit there, so we're gonna move back and get back into it because we drifted out of it since the anchor was dragging. All the poles bend because we're just dragging while the anchor's yet setting, so that's that. We just took off and reel it in. A catfish. He's a monster. That's one monster crappie. Wait, is that a crappie? Is that a shad? Perch. You can use it for bait. The rest of the pole's out. Not even hold it. So we've been sitting here for a little while, so we're gonna move, and the tide starts over south, so we're gonna head over there and see if we can get anything else there. So Porter can get his first one. There's one. Another one. Xander got one. Woo! Monster. Good job, Xander.
Turkey.
Xander got another one.
Oh, that's nice. that's a nice start.
Now I got 4!
Good job.
I got 4! It's crazy. I got 4!
The big ones stop fighting.
Now Xander gets them all.
The big one's not biting, so we've just been catching a bunch of little
But
ones right now.
not we.
And nothing
Xander has.
major has been happening,
Not
so
we, Xander.
waiting for some pickup yet. So we've caught like 5 or 6 little ones, so we'll see what happens. Go ahead and move again. We've caught like 20 small ones here, so we're gonna move on and see if we can catch any, find something bigger. So. Fish on. Got enough. Another one on.
Right there has one.
Here, get the
Got
other
2
one.
on. There we go. 2 on. Oh, this came off. That's still got one yet.
Got eaten. Xander, you got a nice
So many little ones. There's another one. So many of them. So many fish. And another one.
Back rod, back rod, back rod.
Don't pull it out, don't pull it out.
That might be a little bit bigger. Ty, you're real. Or you're way up there.
Keep reeling, but don't pull real hard. You can rip that hook.
Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, that's a big one.
Look at that fish. That's bigger than Randy's little one.
Way bigger.
You're back far enough that edge. You ought to keep your rock out.
Hey, look at that fish.
Biggest one yet.
Oh, yeah. I don't know. It's back.
This big thing.
Felt like I could.
Oh, that was so much fun. Another nice one. Another, whoops, got fish on right here. 2. It's non-stop coming in. Got like 3 people with fish on. Fish rolling in every second. It's like the first break. It's been rolling in fish right at me.
Yeah.
We got another hook up.
Here, Dad. Record for not. It's a record breaker for not being a record.
This thing is giving a little more of a fight. He's not. Boy, whoa. Get it. Real.
Get the other net. Get the other net.
Big, 2 nice fish on.
Get the other
What
net.
are you calling this one?
Keep on reeling.
Keep reeling.
Oh man, that was a nice fish. Man, it was nice.
Yeah,
Eldie still
Eldie.
got one on.
Come on, Eldie. Might be the record for not.
Fighting. This one might be nice. Making him fight.
I can tell it.
Look at him go.
Crap. I was gonna. That's a stick.
Eldie's tired.
Look at that fish.
Grab him.
Hook it, hook it. Get it, get it.
Got a nice one on.
I talk about steak right now. Keep reeling. See a big?
He's fighting.
Bring it up.
Here he comes. Ooh, he's a 5-pounder. 4-pounder. Get him. You gotta back up, Dad. Ooh. Back. Yes. Yeah, see, he must have been hooked. You only got one eye. Look at it. Wow. That's cool. What is he? I'm thinking like 450. 5 even. All right. That was pretty good. They were rolling. Oh, there's another one. There we go. Ooh, nice one. Hooked on. I like this. Oh. I was. Oh! Longest one of the day. What do you think of that one? Fish are everywhere.
Get back up.
It's so crazy. It's so much fun. It's like the fish are just hitting constantly. It's like there's always something on. It's like I don't know how much to video and what not to video because always something is on. It's just, this is crazy. I just never seen this many fish before. Well, there we go.
It's Jay.
Got a nice hook up here. Keep it high. Keep it high. Nice. Look at it go. Woo! This thing is good.
Back in the back, in the back.
Whoa, get him, Porter. Got a nice. Just can't reel him. He's too big. Got him, Grandpa. Whew, here he comes. Step backwards. Oh, he's pretty. The tide really pulled him. Well, that's almost it. Here's soon enough to go. So, we're getting out the playing table out. So, all right, we're almost done with casting out the poles one more time. So, cast them out. Maybe we'll catch. We've got one more chance to catch something big and or small. And then we'll butcher our fish and head home. So here we got one hooked up. Might be the last one of the day. Oh, there's another one just came on.
Oh shoot, we got on.
Man, as soon as that tight, it makes a big difference with how they fight. Alright, that's almost it. We caught one or two more yet, but so far that's all. We're gonna head on back and get a final fish count. Definitely getting a lot rougher yet here. That's it. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So we're back, and that's it. Our total is officially 78. So we did pretty good today. Didn't catch anything huge, but you know, maybe we'll be back. So anyway, I just want to give a shout out to Susie's Charter here in Maryland. They did super great. We caught tons of fish. I love this place. So just a shout out to them. They did a great job. And then if you like this video, it would be super helpful for a like, because every like is super helps our videos get out to more people. And that's super. So do that and subscribe. It'd be super awesome. I'd appreciate it. And I guess I'll see you on the next one. This has been The Wild Pursuit.